Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to manage multi-location setups in Gusto. Now, if your business operates in multiple locations, Gusto makes it easy to manage payroll, taxes, and employee information across all states. Here's how to set up and manage multiple locations in your accounts. Step 1, navigate to company details. Now from your dashboard, you want to click on the profile icon that's in the top right corner and then select company details from the drop down. Step 2, add a new work location. Now scroll to the work location section and click add location. Now enter the full address of the new site, including the city, state, and zip code. And if the location is in a different state, Gusto will automatically begin registering for the required state tax accounts if needed. Step 3, assign employee to location. Now once your new location is saved, go to People, Team Members, and then select an employee and then click Edit next to their job details. Assign them to the correct work location. This is crucial for proper tax withholdings and compliances. Step 4, review location-based settings. Now, Gusto handles state-specific tax rules, minimum wage laws, and local benefit eligibility based on work location. So double check each entry for accuracy. Step 5, repeat as needed. Now add and assign additional locations as your company grows. You can manage all work sites from the same dashboard. A bonus tip is to use custom location tags or departments to further organize reporting, approvals, and access by sites. And that's how you stay compliant and organized with multiple work locations in Gusto. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.